how to create 9Monsters account. So if you want to create a 9Monsters account, then first of all, you need to download the application. So to download, open up your Play Store, go for the search bar and search for 9Monsters app. And here you will have the application. You can simply tap on install. And after installing the application, now you can simply go for open, which is on the right side. And now to create an account, you can go for sign up. Tap on that sign up, and then you have to enter your email address. So after entering your email address, you can simply again tap on sign up. So now what you have to do is you have to open up your mail account. So after tapping on login, so open up your mail. So you have to enter this code on your password. And after entering that password, simply tap on login. And after that, now you can simply choose a name for yourself. And then your unit, like your weight, age, height, residence, or your ethnicity, your language, you have to select all of that. And after entering all of these information like your unit, age, height, weight, residence, ethnicity, language, and your name, and after that you can tap on next. And then here you have to have a photo. You have to select a photo. So you can select from your photo camera, or you can go for your photo library. You can choose any one of that option, and then you can add a photo. And after that you can simply tap on OK, which is on the upper right, and again tap on OK and yes. And now you can again tap on next. And if you want to receive notifications from 9Monsters, then you can tap on allow. And if you want to allow the location, and that's it. That's how you sign up to your 9Monsters account, or that's how you create a 9Monsters account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.